Welcome to the world of the singing chef. We gonna make you sing and you taste buds well. From the Pomeranian River to East Coast, Maurice to the Eastern Shore to Georgetown City. I can win you what about it, the hinterlands from the current. Welcome to the world of the singing chef. I'm Eon John, your singing chef. So today we're gonna do a wonderful meal, which is Tostonis, which is basically double fried plantains, and we're gonna do a mackerel sauce. And right now we got ginger, tomatoes, tomato paste, celery, carrots, garlic, green peppers, and some onions that we just chop up here, and of course weary. Yes, so the first thing we're gonna do is let's just get these into the pan. I'm gonna show you, this thing is only gonna take, this thing is gonna take seconds to do, really. Make sure that all of them get in the oil. Right, make sure you separate them, get them nice and sitting flat. Gonna take a little time, but it's not, you know, it's worth it. There we go. Lovely. Okay, I think that's gonna go up. So let us make the sauce while we're waiting for all this. Okay, and now for the mackerel sauce. We got enough oil in there to just cover the bottom. And we better get the stuff in there very quickly. Oh, look at that. It's like magic. Put in the peppers. Weary. Loads of garlic. Oh yeah, we love this. And we're just going to use about half of these. You know, it's only about, I'd say about 4 tablespoons. But we always put a lot of ginger and garlic in a lot of our food just because it's so very good for you. Carrots, which is a good basis, beta carotene and all that kind of stuff. And celery. We're going to get all this into the oil first. And for my better judgment, I think we need a little bit, another tablespoon and a half of virgin coconut oil. Now let this thing just cook off. You see how everything is becoming translucent and nicely sealed? This is exactly what you want, and always good. Nutritious, simple, healthy, and still elegant. Now is the time. I always like to add the tomato paste in, so that's about 3 tablespoons. Just a little bit. You don't have to worry too much about it. Let's just chop it up and make sure that it just spreads a little bit and it goes into the oil. And I like adding it like this because sometimes if you add tomato paste straight to water, it has a slightly bitter aftertaste, which cannot be very pleasant sometimes. So right, here we go. We got a nice little paste happening there. And at this point, let's put in the fresh tomatoes. And you see, I want this all to just cook up real nice, real nice. And look at that. This sardine sauce is gonna be really good. Look at this, we got a really lovely paste. Time to add the star of our show, the mackerel. And we're just gonna mix all that together. And we're gonna leave this. I can add a little bit of water to just cover it. Watch. It's going right into the paste. I'm gonna chop up these because I don't want real big bits. Okay. We got something very beautiful happening there. Oh yeah. Add a little bit of water. We're gonna let that reduce down, and that'll be fine. Lovely bits of plantain. Just mashing them up a little bit. See, quick time. Goes from just being bits of plantain to being tostonis. Aha. 2 more. There we go. We got all our cakes ready. Boom, boom, boom in the room. Back in the oil. Yeah, boy. Let's go. Action and reaction. Yeah. Oh, gosh, they're hot, though. Okay. There we have our Tostonis, plantain Tostonis, and our mackerel sauce. How beautiful. And I love the flowers as well. Anyway, let us try this. Let's get some fish on there. Oh, yeah. Oh, my gosh. Sexy, sexy, sexy. You can feed an entire family on this incredible, nutritious meal. Please try this at home. Love you guys. Welcome to the world of the singing chef. We gonna make you sing and you taste buds wet. From the Pomeranian River to East Coast, my beast to the eastbound shore to Georgetown City.